Welcome to SocialNowa tutorial. The SocialNowa dashboard. When you log in, you will always be greeted with this dashboard. The dashboard area shows the overall statistics of your users' activity in a graphical view. At the moment, there are 9 sections of your user statistics within the SocialNowa dashboard. Let's take a look at each section. The first section of SocialNowa dashboard is located at the top and it is called Order Statistics. You have a monthly view of total subscribers. It has a view in terms of subscribed, unsubscribed, and messages sent. You can also see the last 7 days subscribers and 24-hour interaction among your total subscribers. The second section. The second section of SocialNowa dashboard shows the graphical view comparison of male versus female bot subscribers. This will help you in the decision of your marketing activity gender-wise. The third section. The third section of SocialNowa dashboard displays the subscriber's overall gain of data within a time period up to a year. It shows you the email addresses, phone numbers, and birth date overall gain of both male and female genders. The fourth section. The fourth section of SocialNowa dashboard shows the latest subscribers to your bot-enabled pages. In this section, you will see the subscriber's Facebook profile image and the last time of interaction. The fifth section. The fifth section of SocialNowa dashboard displays the number of subscribers from different sources. It shows the number of subscribers from the checkbox, sent to Messenger, customer chat, subscribers that came directly from Facebook, subscribers from comment private reply, and subscribers from the m.me link. The sixth section. This section of SocialNowa dashboard displays the last auto-reply sent to subscribers who made a comment on a bot and comment growth tool-enabled posts. It shows the profile name of the person the reply has been sent to. It shows the last auto-reply time. It shows the comment ID, which is a link that goes to the Facebook comment that initiates the auto-reply. And it shows the exact written comment made by the user. The seventh section. This section of SocialNowa dashboard displays the completed bulk message campaign made from the left side broadcasting menu inside Messenger tools. The eighth section. This section of SocialNowa dashboard displays the upcoming Facebook poster campaigns which were made from the left side social posting menu within the posting features. The ninth section. This section of SocialNowa dashboard displays the completed Facebook poster campaign which was made from the left side social posting menu within the posting features. Alright, that is it. This concludes SocialNowa tutorial, the dashboard.